Okay, everybody, today is May 1st, 2015. There's a little bit over an hour and a half before the market close. So I thought I'd just do a quick video and look at some of the market indicator and the breadth. I'm going to try to make it real short so it doesn't take too much time to upload on the YouTube. Then I could post it on Twitter. So right now, basically looking at the breadth here, and particularly interesting is the advanced decline. You see how the advanced decline open up pretty strong, and it's kind of faded until the afternoon, and so you can see that it actually dipped below negative, below zero on the Nasdaq, and the up-down volume is not that really that strong. And right now the index is actually up close to 1%. Like the Dow Industrial is up over 161 point, and the S&P is close to 20 point, and also the Nasdaq is up by 54, 55 point. And the Russell is 6.6, that's 0.5%. And the transportation been really strong. It's up over 1.7% at plus 146. But you can see that the breadth is really not telling us. If we just look at the breadth indicator, it doesn't kind of tell us that the market is up that much because it just doesn't look that strong. Okay, and then if we go and quickly take a look at the future, you can see the future actually kind of getting a nice bounce, and every one of these is pointing an inside day. So what I would like to see, that's my preference, is to close it with an inside day. Then maybe on Monday we get a little bit of a push down and then bounces back up. Then we could get this setup to bounce off the low, essentially bouncing off of these supporting trend line here. Right, these level, then we could bounce up, and the trigger point is essentially get out of this break above this engulfing candle, and that would set up the next leg to go up. So if we also take a look at the ETF or the indexes, a similar situation. You see the SPY here kind of kissing up to this top here, so we'd like to see it keep it down below this engulfing candle high, which is 210.35. Okay, so right now it's 210.39. So essentially it's breaking above that peak. But again, as long as it doesn't get away and we get a little bit of a pushback on Monday or so, then the next pivot up, that would be probably a good setup to look at long possibilities. Same thing on the diamond here. So, and here's the Russell, so it's kind of pointing this inside ball, so it's kind of got a little bit more distance to go before it get up to this engulfing candle or get up to this pivot high here, essentially this March pivot high. And then on the Q, you see the Q is also putting a nice inside bar here and trending up on this trend line. So if we could hold this level, close it right near where we are right now, I think that would be a nice setup for next week. If it we get a little bit of one more pullback, a minor pullback, and then get a push up on that, then that will be a real nice setup. So so that's it for now.